Hi everyone, I'm Miss V. Sandhya, Assistant Professor, Department of BWork Marine Food Processing and Preservation Technology, ADM College for Women, Autonomous, Nagapattinam. Today we are going to discuss about biochemical composition of fish. What are the main objectives of this topic? To understand the nutritional value of fish as a source of essential protein, fat, vitamins and minerals, and to evaluate its role in human diet. Fish is an important food source providing high quality proteins and beneficial fatty acids, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. To explore the health benefits of fish consumption, particularly its impact on cardiovascular health, brain function and overall well-being due to its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D and vitamin B12 and minerals. To improve the health and growth of fish in aquaculture by understanding how diet and environmental conditions affect the biochemical composition of farmed fish, leading to optimized feeding strategies and sustainable farming practices. And next one is to develop effective methods for processing, preserving and storing fish while maintaining its nutritional and biochemical integrity, such as in canned, frozen or dried fish products. Major biochemical composition is the first one is a protein. Protein percentage is about 15 to 30%. Fish proteins are highly digestible and of high biological value, meaning they provide essential amino acids. The two main type of protein in fish are muscle protein like myosin, actin and another one is collagen. Fish muscle proteins are rich in essential amino acids like lysine, methionine and histidine. The biochemical composition of proteins in fish consists of various components that contribute to its nutritional and functional properties, and thus include amino acids, peptides and other associated compounds. Fish proteins are a rich and high quality source of amino acids, including all essential ones, and offer numerous health benefits due to their unique biochemical composition. The presence of bioactive peptides, essential fatty acids and easily digestible proteins makes fish an important part of a balanced diet. Next one is amino acid profile. Fish proteins are rich in essential amino acids, which are those that the body cannot synthesize and must be obtained from the diet. Common amino acids in fish protein are essential amino acid and non-essential amino acid. Essential amino acids are leucine, lysine, valine, threonine, tryptophan, methionine, phenylalanine, isoleucine and histidine. And non-essential amino acids are glutamine, alanine, lysine, proline, aspartic acid, serine and others. Fish proteins typically contain all of the essential amino acids in favorable proportions, making them a high quality protein source. What are the protein types? They divided it into three types of protein: myofibrillar proteins or sarcoplasmic proteins and stromal proteins. Myofibrillar proteins are contractile protein found in muscle fiber and include actin and myosin. Next one is sarcoplasmic proteins. This include enzymes and other proteins that are involved in metabolic process such as hemoglobin and myoglobin. Next one is stromal protein. These are structural proteins found in connective tissues including collagen and elastin. The concentration of each type depends on the species and specific muscle tissue of the fish. Next one is collagen. Fish, especially those with higher connective tissue content like cod or header, have a high proportion of collagen compared to land animals. Collagen is a fibrous protein that gives structural integrity to tissues like skin, tendons and bones. Fish collagen is often considered more bioavailable due to its lower molecular weight and compared to mammalian collagen, which make it easier to digest and absorb. Next, carbohydrate. Usually carbohydrate in fish are present in very small amount compared to other food sources, as fish is primarily composed of protein and fat. However, the small amount of carbohydrate found in fish plays important roles, especially in terms of energy supply and metabolism. Fish are generally low in carbohydrate, with the total carbohydrate content often ranging from 0 to 1% of the total weight, depending on the species and part of the fish. Fatty fish like salmon or mackerel tend to have slightly higher amounts of carbohydrate, mainly because they store more glycogen in the tissue, though the difference is not significant. What are the sources of carbohydrate in fish? Glycogen, the primary carbohydrate found in fish is a glycogen, a polysaccharide that serves as the storage form of glucose. Glycogen is found in muscle tissue and the liver, although the amount in fish is typically low compared to that in mammals, and it serves as an energy reserve that fish is used during periods of increased activity or when food intake is limited. Next one is oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Usually fish muscle tissue may also contain small amount of other oligosaccharides and polysaccharides, but these are usually not present in significant quantities. The carbohydrate content in fish is generally minimal compared to other animal-based foods. Next, fat. Fat is the main composition of fish. Raw fish is an excellent source of healthy fat, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for overall health. The fat content in fish varies based on species, with fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardine belongs to richest sources of this beneficial fat. And these healthy fat not only enhance the flavor and texture of raw fish, but also contribute significantly to cardiovascular, cognitive and overall health. Raw fish contain different types of fat, mainly polyunsaturated fatty acid, that means PUFA, and monounsaturated fatty acids, that means MUFA. This fat play key role in maintaining overall health. And in general, raw fish is a good source of healthy fat, especially PUFA and to a lesser extent MUFAs. These fat contribute to various health benefits, including supporting cardiovascular health and reducing inflammation in the body. Next, what are the types of fat present in fish? Omega-3 fatty acids. These are polyunsaturated fatty acids found in high amounts in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines. Omega-3 fatty acids are considered essential because the body cannot produce them, so they must be obtained through the diet. Next, what are the health benefits? Omega-3 fatty acids support heart health by reducing blood pressure, lowering triglyceride levels, decreasing inflammation. They also promote brain health and have been linked to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of mental decline. And last one is sources. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring and other oily fish are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Next one is a monounsaturated fat. These fats often found in olive oil and nuts are also present in raw fish, particularly in tuna and salmon. They help lower bad cholesterol levels and maintain a healthy balance of cholesterol in the body. Next one is health benefits. This fat can improve cardiovascular health by promoting the good cholesterol while lowering low cholesterol level, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Next one is saturated fat. While fatty fish like salmon and mackerel contain some saturated fat, it's in smaller amount compared to unsaturated fat. Fish like tuna are lower in saturated fat overall. Next one is health benefits. While excessive intake of saturated fat can contribute to heart disease, the saturated fat in fish is usually accompanied by omega-3 fatty acids, which can mitigate some of negative effects. Next one is vitamin. Usually fish are rich in several essential vitamins that contribute to overall health. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines are rich in vitamin A, D, E and B12 and omega-3 fatty acids essential for health. Vitamin C is generally low in fish. Eating a variety of fish can help ensure you get a balanced intake of these essential vitamins along with high quality proteins and omega-3 fatty acids. Next one is vitamin A. Role is support vision, immune function and skin health. Sources are found in fish like mackerel and salmon and form is retinal. Next one is vitamin D. Role is aids calcium absorption, bone health, immune function and sources are fatty fishes like salmon and mackerel. And vitamin E, the major role is antioxidant, protect cell from oxidative stress and sources are fish oils especially from fatty fish. Next one is vitamin K. The role are important for blood clotting and bone health and sources in mackerel and salmon. Next one is B vitamins. Usually B vitamins vital role for energy production, brain function and metabolism. And sources are mostly present in all fishes. B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. B12 is abundant in fish, especially in fatty varieties like salmon, mackerel and sardine, etc. And next one is vitamin C. Vitamin C major roles are support human health and collagen formation and sources it's generally low in fish. Next one is minerals. We know that the biochemical composition of minerals in raw fish varies depending on the species, environment, diet and other factors. However, in general, raw fish contain a range of essential minerals that are important for human health. Fish is generally good source of bioavailable minerals, meaning the minerals in fish are easily absorbed by the human body. The concentration of minerals in fish will also vary based on its diet, habitat and specific species. First one is calcium. The major functions are it essential for bone and teeth formation, muscle function and nerve signaling. Next is concentration. It's generally low in fish through certain species like sardine, salmon with bones are higher in calcium. Next one is phosphorus. It's crucial for formation of bones and teeth as well as the cellular function and energy metabolism. It's found in significant amount in fish with the highest level of often found in fatty fish like salmon. Next one is magnesium. It involved in over 300 biochemical reactions including muscle and nerve function, energy production and bone health. And fish generally provide moderate amount of magnesium. Next one is sodium. It's vital for maintaining fluid balance, nerve function and muscle concentrations. In sodium level can vary significantly based on the species, with the saltwater fish is typically having higher sodium content than freshwater fish. Next one is potassium. It's important for cell function, fluid balance and muscle contraction. Fish is a good source of potassium, especially in species like salmon and codfish. Next one is iron. It's critical for oxygen transport in the blood and cellular respiration. And fish is especially oily fish like sardine and tuna provide a moderate amount of bioavailable iron through the generally less than red meat. Next one is zinc. It is essential for immune function, protein synthesis and wound healing. Zinc content can vary with higher concentrations found in species like shellfish. But fish also provide a notable amount of zinc. Next one is iodine. It is vital for thyroid hormone production which regulate metabolism. Fish, particularly saltwater fish, are rich in iodine, making them excellent source of this mineral. Next one is copper. It play a major role in iron metabolism, immune function and nervous system health. And fish contain moderate level of copper, particularly in species like salmon. Next one is manganese. It's important for metabolism, bone formation, and antioxidant defense. Fish generally contain trace amount of manganese. Next one is selenium. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage and support thyroid function. Oily fish like tuna and salmon are excellent source of selenium. Next one is chlorine. It helps in maintaining the body's acid-base balance and fluid regulation, and it present in raw fish in small amount, similar to sodium, particularly in saltwater species. Next one is fluoride. It support dental health and bone structure. Fluoride is typically found in very low amount in most fish species. Next one is fish oil. Usually fish oil in raw fish is a natural and vital component of fish fat content, providing a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. That means eicosapentaenoic acid is EPA and docosahexaenoic acid is DHA. These essential fatty acids are crucial for human health, are primarily found in oily or fatty fishes. In raw fish, the fish oil is unaltered, maintaining a full nutritional profile, including delicate balance of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A and D, and other beneficial compounds like astaxanthin is a potent antioxidant. Next one is what are the components of fish oil? Omega-3 fatty acid is particularly EPA and DHA are vital for the proper functioning of the body. These fatty acids are linked to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, improved brain function, and anti-inflammatory effect. The body cannot produce omega-3 on its own, so consuming them through the diet, like eating raw fish, is essential. EPA is especially beneficial for heart health, as it helps to lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and improve overall circulation. Next, DHA is a major structural component of the brain, and retina is crucial for cognitive function, vision, and the development of the nervous system in infant. Next one is fat-soluble vitamins. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardine, which are common in raw fish dishes, also contain vitamin A and D, which are fat-soluble and stored in fish oil. And these vitamins are essential for maintaining good vision, skin health, and immune system function. Vitamin D is usually crucial for calcium absorption and bone health. Next one is antioxidants. Raw fish, particularly salmon, contain antioxidant like astaxanthin, which gives the fish its a pink or red color. Astaxanthin has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect cell from oxidative stress and aging. This is one of the reasons that fish oil in raw fish is often seen as beneficial to skin health. Next, nutritional absorption. The fats in raw fish are easily digestible, meaning that when you consume raw fish, your body can absorb these omega-3 fatty acids more efficiently than when the fish is cooked. Heating can degrade some of the delicate oils. So, raw consumption ensure the maximum bioavailability of the beneficial components. Next, nutritional value of raw fish. Raw fish is a highly nutritious. Raw fish is highly nutritious and offers several health benefits. The exact nutritional value depend on the type of fish, but in general, raw fish is a good source of protein, healthy fat, vitamin, and minerals. Here, breakdown of general nutritional components found in raw fish, that is a protein. Fish is an excellent source of high quality lean protein. A 100-gram serving of raw fish typically contain about 15 to 25 grams of protein, depending on the species. Next, healthy fat. Many types of raw fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardine, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. 100-gram serving can contain between 2 gram to 20 gram of fat depending on the type of fish. Next one is vitamin. Vitamin D. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are particularly high in vitamin D, which is important for bone health and immune function. B vitamins. Fish is rich in vitamin B, especially B12, B3, B2 and B6, all of which play key role in energy metabolism and red blood cell production. Next one is mineral. Iodine is a good source of fish, essential for thyroid function. Selenium, fish like tuna and salmon are high in selenium, a mineral that acts as an antioxidant. Next one is phosphorus. Fish is also a good source of phosphorus, important for bone health. And next one is carbohydrate. Usually carbohydrate present in very low amount in fish. It's suitable for low carb diet. Next one is caloric content. The caloric content of raw fish varies by species. Lean fish like cod or tilapia can have around 90 to 120 calories per 100 gram. While fatty fish like salmon or mackerel can have 180 to 250 calories per 100 gram. This is example, salmon and tuna. Next, what are the health benefits of raw fish? Majorly heart health. Omega-3 help lower the risk of heart disease, and brain health. Omega-3 are crucial for cognitive function and weight management. High protein content help with satiety, and skin and hair health. Omega-3 and vitamin promote healthy skin and hair.